assessment, 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 management, 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 mitigation, 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 identification, 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 prevention, 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 assessment. For example, we conduct a risk assessment before starting any new project. Management. For example, risk management is a key component of our overall business strategy. Mitigation. For example, we need to develop mitigation strategies to handle potential risks. Identification. For example, the first step in our risk management process is the identification of risks. Prevention. For example, prevention measures are put in place to avoid any financial losses.